Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to Christing online classes. Today we are going to study the problems based on binomial distribution. Let us see the first problem, that is in a college 60% of the students are boys. In a random sample of 6 students, find the probability of getting. The first sub question is 2 boys, next 3 or 4 boys, more than 4 boys, less than 2 boys, at least 1 boy. The last sub question is at most 1 boy. Okay, now see here given there are 2 observations, that is 60%, another one is 6. We know that percentage in terms probability. So, probability of success is denoted by P, then 60% we can write 60 divided by 100. So, this is equal to 0.6. Then one more observation is 6. Here random sample size is denoted by small letter n. So, random sample of 6 students we can write n is equal to 6. Here we know p value, that is 0.6. Then what is q? Q is equal to 1 minus p, that is 1 minus 0.6 is equal to 0.4. Now we need to write x. Here x is value of variable, that is number of boys in a random sample of 6 students. Okay, here x is value of variable, that is number of boys in a random sample of 6 students. Okay. Now we know that parameter of binomial distribution is p and q, so that we can write that x follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. Here we know the values of n and p, so I will substitute the values of n and p. Here n is 6, p is 0.6. Then I will write PMF, that is probability mass function, that is p of x is equal to NCx p to the power x q to the power n minus x. Here x takes the value 0, 1, 2 up to n. Okay. Here we have the value p, n and q, and I will substitute that values in the formula, that is p of x is equal to n, here n is 6 cx, p is 0.6, that is 0.6 to the power x, next q is 0.4 to the power n is 6 minus x. Here x takes the value, see here n is 6, so x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now let us see the first sub question, that is probability of getting 2 boys. How to write? It is p of probability of 2 boys, this is equal to p of x is equal to 2. Okay, this we can write it as p of 2. So here we know that in the place x, here it is 2, so that in the place x, instead of x we can write 2. So see here in the place x, here 2 is there, so instead of x we can write 2. This is equal to NCx, that is 6 cx, here that is 2, 0.6 to the power x, that is 2, 0.4 to the power 6 minus 2. Okay, now here 6c2 is, here 6c2 is 15 into 0.6 to the power 2 is 0.36 into here 6 minus 2, that is 4. So, 0.4 to the power 4 is 0.025. So, this is equal to 12 into 6C2 is 15, not 12, 6C2 is 15. So, 15 into 0.36 into 0.025 is 0.135. This is the calculated answer of probability of getting 2 boys. Next, let us move to second sub question, that is 3 or 4 boys, that is probability of getting 3 or 4 boys. Okay, the second sub question is probability of getting 3 or 4 boys. Okay. This we can write that probability of 3 here or in terms plus. So, probability of 3 or 4, that is P of 3 plus P of 4. Okay, this is equal to, first we have to calculate P of 3. So, here in the place x, here 3 is there. So, formula is 6C3 into 0.6 to the power 3 and 0.4 to the power 6 minus 3 plus, next here in the place x, here 4 is there. So, formula is 6C4 0.6 to the power 4 and 0.4 to the power 6 minus 4. Okay, now this is equal to 6C3 is 20 into 0.6 to the power 3 is 0.216 into here 6 minus 3 is 3. So, 0.4 to the power 3 is 0.064 plus here 6C4, that is 6C4 is 15 into 0.6 to the power 4 is 0.129 into here 6 minus 4 is 2. So, 0.4 to the power 2 is 0.16. Okay, this is equal to 20 into 0.216 into 0.064 is 0.276 plus here it is 15 into 0.129 into 0.16 is 0.30. Okay, this is equal to 0.30 plus 0.276 is 0.276 plus 0.3 is 0.576. This is the calculated answer of probability of getting 3 or 4 boys. Okay, next let us see probability of getting more than 4 boys. Okay, that is probability of getting more than boys. You can see in our x, in our range there are 0 to range is 0 to 6. So, here more than 4 in the sense the remaining values are 5 and 6. So, the probability of more than 4 boys is equal to P of 5 plus P of 6, because in our given range the more than 4, okay, then remaining values are 5 and 6. So, this is probability of 5 and 6. Okay, this is equal to, the first let us calculate P of 5, let us substitute the values to probability of 5. So, instead of x here 5 is there. So, this is 6cx, that is 5, then 0.6 to the power x, that is 5, then 0.4 to the power x minus, so sorry 6 minus, here x is 5 plus, next P of 6, here x in the place x, here it is 6 is there. So, 6x, 6c, 6, 0.6 to the power 6 and 0.4 to the power 6 minus 6. Okay, now this 6c5 is 6, then into 0.6 to the power 5 is 0.077 into here 6 minus 5 is 1. So, 0.4 to the power 1 is 0.4 plus here 6 that is 1 into 0.6 to the power, that is 0.6 to the power 6, the value is 0.046 into here 6 minus 6, that is 0. So, 0.4 to the power 0 is 1. Okay, this is equal to 6 into 0.077 into 0.4, the value is 0.184 plus here 1 into 0.046 into 1 is 0.046. Okay, this is equal to 0.184 plus 0.046 is 0.23. Okay, this is calculated answer of probability of getting more than 4 boys. Okay, next let us see the fourth sub question, that is probability of getting less than 2 boys. Okay, here probability of getting less than 2 boys in the sense here x range is 0 to 6. So, less than 2 in the sense here remaining observations are 0 and 1. So, probability of less than 2 boys is equal to probability of 0 plus probability of 1. Okay, this is equal to 6C0, 0.6 to the power 0 and 0.4 to the power 6 minus 0 plus 6C1, 0.6 to the power 1, 0.6 to the power 6 minus 1. Okay, now this is equal to 6C0, that is 1 into 1.6 to the power 0, that is also 1 into 0.4 to the power 6 minus 0 in the sense that is 6 only. So, 0.4 to the power 6, that is 0.00409 plus here 6C1, that is 6 into 0.6 to the power 1, that is 0.6 into say here 6 minus 1, that is 5. So, here it is 4, 0.4 to the power 6 minus 1, here 6 minus 1 is 5. So, 0.4 to the power 5, that is 0.010. Okay, now this is equal to 1 into 0.00409 is 0.00409 plus here 6 into 0.6 that okay, next into 0.010, that is 0.036. Okay, this is equal to this 0.00409 plus 0.036. The answer is 0.04. Okay, this is the calculated answer of probability of getting less than 2 boys. Okay, next we will going to find the value of probability of getting at least 1 boy. Here probability of at least getting at least one boy is, we can write it as P of x x greater than or equal to 1. See here x values are given, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. X greater than or equal to 1 in the sense to find the probability of getting at least one boy, we need to calculate probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4 plus probability of 5 plus probability of 6. Okay, this is lengthy process. Okay, to avoid this lengthy process, we can apply simplest method, that is we know that probability, sum of probability is equal to 1. Then here the remaining one term is 0. So, if we calculate 1 minus P of 0, we can find the value of these terms. Okay, that is 1 minus P of x less than 1. This is equal to 1 minus P of 0. For example, if the question is like this, probability of getting at least 2 boys, at least 2 boys. What is the formula to calculate probability of at least 2 boys? That is 1 minus P of 0 plus P of 1. If it is at least 3 boys, then what is the formula? That is 1 minus P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. If it is, for example, probability of getting at least 4 boys, what is the formula? Then formula is 1 minus P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3. Okay, this is the formula to calculate at least one boy or at least method. Okay, now I will substitute the values. That is 1 minus P of 0 is 6C0 into 0.6 to the power 0, then 0.4 to the power 6 minus 0. This is equal to 1 minus 6C0 is 1 into 0.6 to the power 0 is 1 into 0.4 to the power 6 minus 0. So, 6 minus 0 is 6 only, then 0.4 to the power 6 is 0.0049. Okay, this is equal to 1 minus 1 into 0.0049 is 0.0049. Then this is equal to 1 minus 0.0049 is 0.99. Okay, this is the calculated answer of probability of getting at least one boy. Okay, next the last sub question, that is probability of getting at most one boy. Okay, how to write probability of getting at most one boy? You can write it as probability of x less than or equal to 1. See, here x observations are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, x less than or equal to 1 in the sense there are two values are there, one is P of 0, another one is P of 1. So, we can write it as this is equal to P of 0 plus P of 1. Okay, I will substitute the values in the formula, that is P of 0 in the sense 6C0, 0.6 to the power 0 and 0.4 to the power 6 minus 0 plus 6C1, that is P of 1, 6C1, 0.6 to the power 1 and 0.4 to the power 6 minus 1. Okay. This is equal to 6C0, that is 1 into 0.6 to the power 0 in the sense that is 1, next 0.4 to the power 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0, that is 6. So, 0.4 to the power 6 is 0.00409 plus next 6C1, that is 6 into 0.6 to the power 1, that is 0.6 into, see here 6 minus 1 is 5. So, 0.4 to the power 5 is 0.0102. Okay. This is equal to 1 into 0.00409 is 0.00409 plus 6 into 0.6 is 3.6 into 0.0102 is 0.036. Okay, this is equal to 0.00409 plus 0.036 is, that is 0.00409 plus 0.036 is 0.040. Okay, this is the calculated answer of probability of getting at most one boy.